Hello everyone, let's start with the series roadmap to become competitive programmer 5 star. So in this video I'll be solving the problem decrement or increment. So what they're saying is that write a program to obtain number n and increment its value by 1 if the number is divisible by 4, otherwise decrement its value by 1. So in this case they have not given test cases, they have given only n. So let's take input and we'll discuss what we'll have to do it now. N is the input we have taken. So they've given one example wherein n is 5 and output is 4. Let's try to understand why it is. So what they're saying is that they've given n, they'll give n. If this n is divisible by 4, which means its remainder will be 0, and which is done by using modulo operation. If we are getting this, so you'll have to increase the n value by 1, n plus plus will do. Else if it is not, then we'll decrease the value by 1. So if you try to put this n by 5 modulo 4 is basically 1, and it is not equals to 0, so that's why it will not go in if condition, it will go in else condition. So now your n value is 5, so it will reduce to 4 and your output is 4, which we were getting. Now let's try to understand. Let's say we will take 8. So in this case our answer has to be 9. Why? Let's understand. See, if you do 8 modulo 4, which comes out to be 0 and which is equals to 0. So since it goes in this if condition, now you'll have to increase n by 1. So it was 8, now it will increase to 9. So basically this is the pseudo code, or you can say code, that we'll have to write it. So this was a very short problem, and I don't know why its rating is 722. So we'll have to check if n modulo 4 is equal to 0, which means we'll have to increase n by 1, else you'll have to decrease n by 1, and you need to output n, the value of the n at the end. Let's try to run the code. So yeah, we're getting 4. Let's try to submit the code. Okay, it got accepted. Okay, there were a lot of test cases, 14 test cases, and all I have passed. So I think this was basically one of the easy problem, I would say. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.